Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to our channel. For all of those who are new around here, make sure to subscribe to be notified for new upcoming content. Today I'm showing you how I make my own homemade falafels, and this is a super delicious recipe and very easy to make. Don't forget to give us those thumbs up, and now let's get started. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below, and see you next time. Cheers!